Right, next question we have, oops, in diagram 10. Let's not do it here. Let's just name it there. So this is phospholipid bilayer. Remember, if it show you the two layer, you have to do two layer lah. Okay, and this is, you see, this is very clear. This one so smooth, you can pass through easily. This one you need to open up. If you cannot pass through in one shot, you need to open the shape or whatever. That is not smooth enough. That is carrier protein. That would be carrier protein. Next one. What is the characteristic of a substance that pass through X? Remember, as usual, phospholipid bilayer, it must be small. It's very small here. It also has to be lipid soluble because it literally says lipid, because our tail is hydrophobic. They are afraid of water, cannot. So it must be lipid. Then one more, maybe if you want to say, you can also say charge. It must, of course, be uncharged because charge means soluble. Charge means water soluble. Okay. Next one. How is glucose transported through cell wall? Again, this is okay. You have two choices. You can talk about wait. Okay, you have two choices. You can talk about either facilitated diffusion and also active transport. Up to you, because glucose can do both of them. Okay, but I think more typically it should be active transport. So I'm gonna go with active transport. I will just say this is active transport, right? And remember, what do you do in a typical question for transport? Just talk about the characteristic. As you remember, glucose concentration gradient against glucose move against concentration gradient. Okay, and this uses energy. This uses energy. Okay, that's enough. And finally, what is a major component to form a plasma membrane? Is either gonna be protein, the carrier protein, or phospholipid. Okay, it's either the protein or the phospholipid. This is the most dominant one because the other cholesterol like that is a bit small. But yeah, the main one is phospholipid and protein. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.